Subscribe and click the bell icon. Connect you to the world.
Hi guys, today we are going to make the marble butter cake. Here's the ingredients with perfect measurement. Take a bowl and add 150 grams of unsalted butter. Add 80 grams of powdered sugar. Now mix this well. Let's do the proper scraping. Crack 3 whole eggs one by one and mix well. Add 140 grams of cake flour. Add 1.5 grams of baking powder. Mix this well without forming any lumps in it. Add 30 ml of fresh milk. Add 2.5 grams of vanilla essence. Now mix this well. Take 5 grams of cocoa powder and add 10 ml of warm water. Now mix a scoop of cake batter in the cocoa mix. Now take the cake mold and place the baking paper perfectly scissored. Brush the melted butter all over inside. Now fill the batter this way, the normal batter over cocoa mix over normal batter again, as you wish you can design. Now use the needle to make the design as you wish, like this. Now bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Here's our marble butter cake. That smells great. Wow, feels so tender. Let's cut this cake and show the softness. Oops. Oh, this cake is made in heaven, not in oven. The delicious marble butter cake. Happy baking. Until next time, the cake choose.